Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're having another episode of Rice Cooker Hacks series. How exciting! We're gonna make a soft, moist, beautiful looking chocolate cake. It's so easy. Let's get right into it. Cut up about 1/3 cups of butter. Put it over some warm water and use a low flame to heat the water. It will melt slowly. Cut another small bit of butter and put it in the rice cooker. We're going to use that to grease the pot. It will get soft while we are preparing other ingredients. For the dry ingredient, you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 2/3 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sieve everything. You see those little lumps? Use a spatula and press it down. Mix them until everything is well combined. And let's get another bowl to gather our wet ingredients together. You will need 2 large-sized eggs, 1/2 cup of buttermilk. In my cornbread recipe, I mentioned that I can't find buttermilk around where I live. Some of you told me that I can add some lemon juice to the milk, wait for the milk to clump up a little bit. This can be used as a buttermilk substitution. Thank you for the tip. Let's keep adding 1/3 cup of melted butter. Make sure it's not too hot or else you will cook the egg. 1/3 cup of strong coffee. Same as the butter, make sure it is not too hot. Last, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Then pour the wet ingredient mixture into the dry ingredient. Stir until you get a thick batter. At this stage, Chocoholic might want to throw in some chocolate chips in there. Based on my experience, rice cooker cooks the cake slowly. The chocolate chip probably will sink to the bottom. They will melt during cooking, but after you take the pot out of the rice cooker and let it rest, the chocolate chip, they will reset and you will end up having a crunchy chocolate shell on the bottom. It's very interesting. Okay. Let's get a brush and spread the soft butter everywhere on the bottom of the rice cooker. Make sure you get the side as well. My rice cooker is non-stick. If yours is not, you will need to cut up a round piece of parchment paper to place on the bottom. Pour the batter straight into the rice cooker. A rubber spatula will help you clean the bowl easily. Tap it a few times to shake out the big bubbles and smoothen the surface. Put the pot in, cover it, press down the button. We'll cook this for 1 hour in total. The button will pop back up to warm setting soon. Don't worry. During this 1 hour, all you need to do is come back every 15 minutes and press down the button again. So you will need to press the button 4 times in total. But every rice cooker is a little different. You might need to slightly adjust the cooking time. Once it is done, quickly open the lid. Try not to let the steam drip back down to the cake. Even though I know it is completely cooked, just to show you how to test it, stick the toothpick in. If it comes out clean, that means you're good to go. The surface of the cake doesn't look that smooth, but that is okay. It's going to taste good. Take the pot out and let it rest for 20 minutes. While waiting, let's make some chocolate ganache. It's very easy. Heat up 145 grams of heavy cream to a slight simmer, not a full boil. Pour this into 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate, which I chopped it into small pieces. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Use a hand mixer and whisk this into a smooth chocolate mixture. It's really shiny looking. To that, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a piece of soft butter, about 2 tablespoons. Keep whisking until the butter is melted and your chocolate ganache is done. It is a bit liquidy. It will set when it cools down a little bit. The cake should be cooled down. You can see the edge is separated from the side of the pot. It should be easy to flip it over now. Pour the chocolate ganache over the cake. Use a spatula to push it a little bit so it covers the side. If it drips down like that, you can clean it by snacking on it. Yum! Okay, let's keep decorating the cake. Use a peeler to peel some chocolate. You will get some shreds like this. Put it all around the edge of the cake. Strawberries and chocolate together are the best thing in the world. Just place them nicely. Add a few pieces of mint here and there. Okay, I think that looks really pretty. Honestly, I'm not a professional baker, so I actually shared this cake with many people, and I got some positive reviews. This cake is very chocolatey, not too sweet. If you want it to be sweeter, you can add more sugar in the batter or eat it with a scoop of ice cream. Vanilla is my favorite. You can see that the ganache is still fluent. If you let the cake sit for an hour, it will set and become less glossy. Doesn't drip down anymore. But it is still delicious. Very soft and moist. If you don't say anything, nobody will ever guess this is made out of a rice cooker. Seriously, bring this to your friend and impress them. I hope you give this cake a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment down below the video. I'd love to know how it goes. As always, the recipe will be in the description down below the video. Go check that out. Don't forget to take a look of my channel and subscribe. New videos come out every Wednesday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!